Hi, and welcome to Core Manufacturing. I'm Alex. I just want to talk to you guys about a software that I've been using for about a year now, Autodesk Fusion 360. It's free for hobbyists and startups like myself. You can download the software from autodesk.com. We'll have a link in the description below. When you first open Autodesk Fusion 360, you'll see a window on the left side with links to all of your projects. And then this area over here is the main work area where your projects will be displayed once you open them up. I'd like to show you one of the first projects that I worked on in Fusion 360. It is a 4th axis tombstone. Similar to the tombstones that would be used in like a horizontal mill. The purpose of the tombstone is to run multiple parts at one time and to have access to multiple sides of those multiple parts. My initial idea was to use 4 Kurt vices like the one seen here, aligned along each side of the tombstone where I would be able to run 4 parts. Unfortunately, I was unable to fit the 4 Kurt vices in the space constraints that I had at the time. So I did a little bit of research and I found a company based out of San Diego, California called 5th Axis. And they offer small vices for use in 5-axis mills. On their website, I found a vice that I liked and I was able to download a CAD file from them. I was able to pull pieces from their design into my design, and this is what I created. So the way this thing works, like I said earlier, it's similar to a tombstone that you would see in a horizontal mill, except this is a vertical version. And what would happen is your tools would come down from the top and you would have access to 2 parts on each side of this. And then you would be able to rotate using your 4th axis to access the sides of your parts and flip over all the way and access the top of the parts on the opposite end of the tombstone. And essentially what this would do is give you access to 3 sides of 4 parts in one setup in one run. And that would save you a ton of time in the machine shop. We here at Core Manufacturing are car guys, and as such, I have designed a lot of car parts on Autodesk Fusion 360. One of the parts I've designed, you can see here, is a fuel surge tank. I designed this because I couldn't find any products on the market that met my needs. One of the features that I've included is a robust clamp design. This clamp is made in such a way that any drop-in fuel pump will fit into this clamp, and all you have to do is screw it down with 1 screw. Additionally, there's an option to run 2 fuel pumps inside of this surge tank. It has a 1-gallon capacity. It has -10 AN fittings on the lid, and it's made in such a way that it can be assembled and disassembled very quickly. The lid actually threads on, and then once it's threaded on, it's just held in place by a set screw. And finally, the tank is made in such a way that there are unlimited mounting options. One of the great features of Autodesk Fusion 360 is that you can go straight from a modeling environment to a CAM environment. See, now I've just gone from model to CAM, and I didn't have to export my file and open it up in a new program or anything. I can start working on setting up the machining for this, or even if I start setting up the machining on it and I realize that I have a problem, I can go straight back to model and change the model, and that's already changed in the CAM environment. We use Autodesk Fusion 360 because it's free, it's convenient, anybody can use it even if you just have a standard desktop computer. It won't run perfect without a high-powered video card, but you'll be able to use it and learn some things. If you have a part that you need made, go to our website, www.core-manufacturing.com, and find our contact info and send us an email for a quote. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and feel free to leave your comments below. And don't forget, the most important tool in the machine shop is your brain.
You want fries with that?